The Evolution Connex system control works with their Evolution line of communicating HVAC equipment to maximize comfort and efficiency. The unit can control up to 8 separate zones in the home and works with Alexa Smart Skills. The unit is Wi-Fi enabled and provides a 5-day local weather forecast. The Ecobee3 Lite control is made for Bryant brand equipment by Ecobee and features IntelliSense technology, which allows remote contractor monitoring and troubleshooting of the HVAC system. The control works with most smart home systems and has built-in air quality monitoring as well as voice control. They offer a power extender kit for homes where the thermostat wiring does not provide for AC wire. The controls are only sold and installed by factory-authorized Bryant equipment dealers. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.